Hey everyone, I'm Mama Angelica Martel, your host for today's vlog. I'm excited to share my thoughts with you as a woman in the fishery industry. I've learned that self-awareness is a key to turn me on willing to success.
As a future businesswoman in the fishery industry, understanding the self is the anchor to navigating challenges and reeling in opportunities. Self-awareness drives informed decision-making, effective communication, and strategic leadership. In the fast-paced fishery industry, understanding the self is the key to unlock resilience, adaptability, and success. By cultivating self-awareness, businesswoman can first, enhance decision making and risk management. Number two, foster a strong industry relationship. Number three, drive innovation and growth. Number four, inspire and motivate teams. And number five, build a lasting legacy.